channel again. I'm sorry I was absent for so many days that I haven't posted a single video. I apologize for that. So, today I will bring an insight to the exam which we are going to have in the next upcoming month, that is MBA CET. Right now, you have given CAT and that probably SNAP. You might have scored less or above average. Now you're wondering कि अभी कौन सा एग्ज़ाम दे सकते हैं so that we can get to the BA school. So now we have a very good exam upcoming in the next few months, that is called the MBA CET, and from that exam you can get a very good colleges such as JBIMS, Wellinger, Sydenham, such as Pumba, and other colleges. Alright, now I will talk about some basic thing in this video. This is kind of a introduction and again a crash course sort of video. Alright, now let's quickly go through the slides. First, my name is Rahul, as you might have forget. So me till now. So I scored 99.62 percentile in the MBA CET exam last year, but I couldn't get a college, or I say I couldn't get a desired college. I wanted COEP and Mumbai. Either of them was fine for me because I live in Pune. Alright, so I started working as a quant faculty in career launcher, and over the years I gained experience. But I wanted to go into management, so I gave this exam last year, but couldn't get the college. So everything works out pretty well. Now let's go to the next slide and see why CET aspirants struggle. So I taught CET students and I gave CET exam, so I know how this exam is actually. So basically this syllabus is kind of very overwhelming. बहुत सारे chapters हैं maths में, reasoning में. There are 75 questions in reasoning, maths में 50 questions, and the something that is we really hate is visual reasoning, and there are 25 questions of the topic from the visual reasoning, and I don't know why that topic is there. So the second problem occur is question selection. So there are 200 questions in 150 minutes, so 2.5 hours for 200-minute questions. Now the problem is not about the time. The time is plenty, but the point is that we get some questions and we try to solve them. We stuck there and time goes away. Like literally it flies away. So the problem is choosing a right question and applying basic logic can work out pretty well. So we'll talk about this thing. Question selection कैसे करना होता है. So this is something we need to work on. Now, common struggles of CET aspirants. So basic, like I told you, एक तो syllabus इसका बहुत अजीब सा है, बहुत काफ़ी एक्सट्रीम सिलेबस हो जाता है ना, नॉट इतना भी नहीं कि UPSC जैसा सिलेबस हो गया, बट या थोड़ा बहुत तो है इसका थोड़ा सिलेबस. Now, question selection is one of the major problems that I see in the student section. एक होता है poor time allocation, ये भी बहुत एक problematic चीज़ है. Now, when we solve question, we stuck with the question और solve करने की कोशिश करते हैं लेकिन होता नहीं है. So this is something we need to work on, and I will tell you how we can cater this problem in the upcoming videos. Alright, now let's go to the next slide. How toppers think differently. So if I wouldn't say I'm a topper, I got just 99.62, somewhere it will be 140, 150 marks. So something that really worked for me is, or any topper, the strategy that will work for any topper is something like कि how he or she is strategically choosing the question. तो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हमको सारे क्वेश्चन सीक्वेंसली करने हैं. अगर जो क्वेश्चन हो रहा है उसको करना है, जो नहीं हो रहा है उसको छोड़ देना है. There are 200 questions and each question carry 1 mark. So if you leave every question, you won't get any mark. But now think about this thing. If you leave 10 question, 20 question particularly, how many questions you still are doing? There is 180, 190 questions you are doing and you're getting 190 marks. So I'll tell you the cutoff scenarios भी आके जाके. Now speed का एक और रूल होता है. तो entire maths reasoning is literally so easy that you need to quickly solve those questions. They won't be cat like questions जहाँ पे हमको बहुत सोचना पड़ता है. बहुत simple question होते हैं but time consuming होते हैं. तो we need to work on our speed. Now हमें कुछ particular question छोड़ने होंगे that we have already thought of it. Now let's move to the next slide. So what the purpose is to bring this video is to I was thinking to introduce a new course from my experience that I learned throughout the years. And when I gave the exam, I come across a problem. We don't need to study a lot of for this exam. We need a strategic study plan. So what I'm going to offer from this videos or this platform, I will bring a crash course on the math and logical reasoning. And I don't like visual reasoning, to be honest. Alright, so in two sections, I'll bring some topics which will definitely help you to gain more score in a short span of time. Alright, and that I am going to put CET specific content and कम से कम syllabus रखेंगे so that we get more marks in less time. Alright, और सबसे important बात, I will try to take full length mock test during a live session or probably recorded session. So what I can do is I can record videos on CET mock and upload, and whatever you say, we'll do that. Alright, now how you can utilize this course. So what I'm going to start putting videos on the topics from tomorrow onward, that you need to practice whatever I'm putting there. You need to solve questions. I'll give you the syllabus, I'll give you the content, I'll give you everything. All you need to practice a lot. All right, now what I'm targeting here, or what audience I'm targeting, whoever, it's just not 95 plus percentilers, whatever, or repeaters or anything. Whoever likes to join, you can join. Communication will be Hindi and English so that I can reach out to the maximum number of students. All right, now I don't know who wrote this. Results come from a clarity, not chaos. So MBA CET kind of a chaos hone wala hai. So we just need a clarity how and what question we are supposed to solve. Now let's go to something which I thought I should share with you. Now this is the CET का cutoff scenario. Now this is not exactly confirmed क्या था क्या नहीं था, but let's go through it. So 25, 24, 23, 22, 21 में 99 percentile के लिए 99.9 percentile के लिए 99.99 के लिए what we needed 160, 165 score somewhere. So this is something scenario, you can take a look on it. Now something which I would like you to notice is from 90 percentile to 99 there is a 30 marks का jump. Alright, from 99 to 99.5 there are 7 marks का jump. From 99.90 तक जाने के लिए we need something 8 marks का jump, and from there we need a 15 marks का jump. So 99 तक पहुँचने के लिए you can quickly jump, बहुत जल्दी जल्दी हो जाता है. Now the real struggle start from 99 point के ऊपर, वहाँ से ऊपर जाना है ना, तो you need to struggle a lot. Now these questions, these are the marks out of 200. Think about this. You can easily score 99, 100 marks. 100 marks is something like 50%, 130, 160, 140, 150 marks. Throughout years, इससे ज़्यादा कट ऑफ कभी गई नहीं 99.99 के लिए. And if you are a Maharashtrian and if you are a home quota student, it will be quite beneficial for you. You can easily get the admission into the college. Home quota लग जाता है, home university quota. Alright. So getting 99 point something is very good for getting a good college. I wouldn't say JBIMS. That is a totally different league. I have seen people getting admission to the college by 100 percentile. I enrolled for my counseling last year and I saw so many people getting 100 percentiles, and they are getting into the college, but they were not so many. I honestly tell you, there's something like 20-25 students were there who scored a perfect 100 percentile. Alright, so I'll show you my scorecard from last year. So this is my scorecard. I got 99.62. Alright, so let's quickly wrap up this video here, and from tomorrow onward I'll start putting videos on maths and reasoning, and that would be topic wise. Alright, see you then.